So, my neighbor has just cooked a lot of food and I am full, like full. I can hardly move. But you see, Michael is trying to replace my fence that just broke. Anyway, I didn't greet you, bad manners of me. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my world. My name is Lynn Zabu and this is Lynn Zab's World. We share positive content, travel, relocation stories, construction, everything that makes us human. So let me show you. You guys are in Christmas moods and I know that I'm not alone. I think this is because this time I'm excited to invite a number of people at my house. Yes, I'm very excited to see a lot of people at my house. So, you see, I've eaten and gotten tired. I was eating matoke and meat. Where is my sabato? Where's my sabato? Yeah. So this pipe you see here, that one, there's a plumber who just came and he lied to me that they don't sell half pipes. Eh? But then when I went there by myself, they were surely selling the pipes. So which means that is another lesson learned, that you have to go and buy those things for yourself. I need to go do my hair, do my nails. In a good mood. Anyway, so this soil has been here for quite some time and we haven't planted anything in them for some time, you know, because it has been very hot of late. But we do have these things here. This is new stock. I have carrots. I have new carrots. These ones I got them from people who are selling them on the roadside. And then tomatoes. But these ones look a little bit old. I don't know if they will come out very nicely the way they're supposed to come out. But yeah, this is in Tula and they're growing really nice, you see? They're growing really nice. And I've put a lot of seedlings here because all these sacks are still empty. You see, all those sacks are still empty. You see them? Even the other place is still empty where Michael is. So these are all. Kati, you wonder what the dogs wanted here. Anang. Yeah. Michael.
Hello.
What do you tell Michael? People be asking, where did Michael go? Kati nange olusimbulwa ekyo baddamu.
Yo badam.
But you first say hello.
Hello. How are the viewers?
The viewers are fine.
They are fine. I'm here digging the hole. We are going to maintain our wire mess here.
Your wire mess. What plans do you have for Christmas?
Plans? Plans? Nowadays are not easy.
Why are they not easy? But Micah was trusting you to, you know, to do things. Okay, you have children. What plans do you have for them or with them?
The plan? So many plans. I'm planning for them to go back to school.
But we are talking about Christmas. Why
Christmas.
Are you
Christmas. You have to eat some chicken. But okay. Rice.
Yes.
Even you can come and see Aunt Lynn. To visit Aunt Lynn.
Okay. I see.
Yes.
Okay.
But they are welcoming you.
Yeah, they're welcoming me. Okay, so that means
even,
I'll come to your home.
Even missing you.
Yeah.
Hey.
I miss them too.
Welcome.
Okay. So, guys, that is our Michael. These are the beans that my neighbor planted. Imagine, you can even count how many beans we got from last season. Like, it has been the worst season ever. And those are our green pepper. You see our green pepper there. But we have to turn those into seedlings. Guys, it's been really hot, like really hot. The soil has been very dry. Mike, has it been hot where you were? Yeah?
Very hot nowadays.
Very hot. Yeah. Okay. How is your wife? You never tell us about your wife.
My wife?
Hey.
Oh, she's very fine.
She's very fine. Bless me. Okay. So anyway, this is how my home is looking like. You see my garden. Michael, guno mwogo tegukuze tugujayo because it's also distracting our net. By the way, guys, we are trying to replace this. You see, they are not strong anymore, which means the dogs will destroy all the plants that we are planning on putting. So this is what Michael is doing, you know, trying to make holes so that we can put in, you know, we can put other woods. I bought new trees yesterday. Michael, we are just going to remove that muogo, but I wanted to eat the leaves. We remove the leaves, then I try and see if we can how you just remove the leaves. I'll try and see if I can make sauce out of them. And you're totally busy, yo. So I want to make cassava leaf sauce. We are going to remove them and see if they can help. Okay, the other day I bought sand. This sand was meant to help me. All of this heap you are seeing, guys. This heap you're seeing, it's actually a very big heap. You see it. It was meant to help me with my bathroom, but then put them there. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So anyway, these are the trees that I bought. You people, you should plant trees because trees are very expensive nowadays. They are very long. They are very expensive. God. And my compound is so messy because my dogs have just had lunch. But anyway, the people who have been I'm trying to make my own nursery here, but it's not working out because my dogs are not letting me enjoy these things in peace. Guys, you can see the DJI is still, the Osmo is still challenging me on turning the directions. Anyway, we planted carrots, kumawiki, different things, and it's been raining so bad, like really bad. And then you see this place here has been a very nice place, but now we've put this this one here. So because it rains and then it creates a lot of mud here, so but we had to put the gas out here. We had to put the gas outside here because some of you were complaining that I should take the gas out. So I listened and I put the gas outside. It's looking all beautiful, and my girls are inside trying to help me clean the house. Let me see what they're doing. What are you girls doing?
We are cleaning the house.
Hey, but you've taken forever to finish.
Did
you clean my bedroom?
Yes. We have been tired and
You are what?
we have been tired and we kuhumura.
You've been tired and you rested.
We rested. If we hear you when you are coming,
Yeah, you
we
get
stand
up.
up.
That is the only time she's been honest. Most of the time she's lying, but today she's been honest. Hi.
Hi.
Let me see. Let me see the other side. Down. So you see, you first remove the other things, then you push this one behind. Here, you see. Remove it. Remove that one. Give it to me. Guys, I have some stupid flu that I don't know where I got it from. You put those down, up. Yes, up there. Then put this back there.
It can't fit.
It can't, even if you put it like this.
It's big.
Yeah, okay.
Long.
We'll find a way to put it this way. We'll remove some saucepans. We'll put them here, then we'll put that one there. Okay, you put it back.
This one?
Yes.
Put a small
And
one finish.
the gas is clean. The girls have been doing a fantastic job. Oh, this is very, very, very clean. Hey, you've even cleaned the fridge.
Yes.
I can see you're eager to tell us. Tell us. Babidi, Nakato, you are eager to tell us. What did you do?
Me? I cleaned the fridge.
I can see. You do what? What else did you do?
I washed it. I
Uh-huh.
washed these things and we first removed these things all.
Yes.
And we clean these ones. After this one, we clean these ones. After these ones, we clean this this fridge. After this fridge,
This is a freezer.
we clean this freezer. After cleaning this freezer, we dry it and we.
But then you put it wrongly. You see this one? Okay, first hold for me the camera. There. You see that it's not going. This one is supposed to be like, you see this one is supposed to sit here or here. So you put it like this. Easy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And we cross it.
And you do what?
We cross it.
You close.
We close
Yeah.
it.
But baby, your hair. You forgot it. Guys, look at my daughter's hair. Yo, your hair is looking horrible.
Okay.
We shall work on it soon. Or maybe tomorrow.
After this one, we clean this fridge.
Yes.
After
But also these ones, you've put them wrongly.
it refused to enter in.
But then you force them. When you force it, you'll spoil it.
Yes.
Anyway, I'll come and clear it. Thank you so much for helping me out.
Thank you.
Yay! Look at the mess down here. It's so messy. Hi. Okay, I'll go. We still have our towels. Everything is still a mess, but I promise you guys, the house is going to look fantastic on Christmas. I'm expecting a lot of guests. A lot of guests. I just love the curtains. Yeah. It looks so nice. Guys, don't you agree with me? It's so pretty. Anyway. So the mood is right. The mood is right. By the way, I still have puppies for sale. In case you need a puppy, please come and buy a puppy from me. I still have puppies for sale. Come and buy the puppies. I also, the roosters, some of them have been bought already, but some of them are still here. So if you want Christmas chicken, rooster, reach out to me. Reach out to me. Mike, how far?
How far? Where?
With the hole.
Maybe.
No, I'm asking like how far. You are still working.
Yeah, I'm still working.
Okay. So guys, me and Michael have tried our best, but especially Michael has tried his very best. But the fence is not going to be done today, maybe tomorrow. But in the next video, I'll show you how it looks after. But these are our cassavas, the one we got from the ground. So usually what I do after I harvest this, I'm going to add another, so that in another year we shall have cassava. Actually, did you know that cassava grows in a period of a year or 6 months? But this one in particular grows after a year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. My cameraman is like Chichi. Ebichi. City. Anyway, I'll see you in another video. Happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody in advance. Michael, say something.
Hey,
Say something.
Something. Auntie, how are you?
I wish them a Merry Christmas.
I wish you.
Wish them, the viewers.
All the viewers, I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and a new president. Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Sabula, I'm listening.
Add.
Hey.
Yeah, I wish you
The new president.
the new president.
You think there will be a new
The
president?
new president, Bobby Wine.
I think it will not happen.
Yeah, it will happen.
We all want that, but we know it will not happen. Anyway,
So we are here. We are hope.
huh?
We are in hope.
You are hopeful, eh?
We are hopeful.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Guys, I would like to end this video here. I'll catch you in the next one. Please keep up with these videos. I beg of you. I beg. Okay, bye. Bye.